anybody wants anything done in their home, you make a desire or a wish, and you present that to California Deluxe Windows and let them get the canvas, use the paintbrushes, and make it a reality. Every single window, every single possible window in here in this home, we replaced with California Deluxe. They very polite, very professional. You can leave them here to do their job and everything is going to be as is. Very, very safe. This used to be 5 individual windows. And I had a vision that this could be a sliding glass door. And with California Deluxe Windows help, we had an idea that they made into a fruition, made into a reality. I love this. I expect to be a lot more money. It was cool. It's almost like we're going to do a really good job for you, and it's kind of like free money. You know, they saved me money to improve my place and not have an astronomical heating bill. And the fact is, they're good, and they're going to be good in 10 years from now. They're going to be good in 20 years from now. You take care of them. The company stands by the product. Very good windows. If you are thinking about buying windows and you don't give California Deluxe a chance or buy windows from them, that's your fault, not mine.